In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Facebook business page. To get started, you will first need access to both your Squarespace site and your Facebook business page. This connection helps you manage how your Squarespace content and publishing tools interact with your Facebook presence, so you can keep everything working together more smoothly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you are signed in, open the site you want to connect. Take a moment here to make sure you are working inside the correct site. If you have multiple Squarespace sites, selecting the right one matters, because the settings you change will apply to that specific site. Next, you will look for the Home menu area in your Squarespace dashboard. From there, you will click Settings. This is where Squarespace gathers the options that control your site integrations and configuration. So clicking Settings is the key step that moves you away from building pages and into the connection tools. After you open Settings, you should see a panel or menu with several categories. Now you will select Connected Accounts. This section is specifically designed for linking third-party services, like Facebook, to your Squarespace site. If you do not immediately see connected accounts, scroll slightly or look carefully within the Settings menu so you can find the right option. Once you are on the Connected Accounts screen, you will click Connect Account. After that, you will select Facebook as the account type you want to connect. This step tells Squarespace which service you want to authorize. You might notice that Squarespace provides different options depending on what integrations are available, so choose Facebook and continue. Now the process will move into authentication. You will log into your Facebook account when prompted, and then you will follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This authorization step is important because it confirms that Facebook permissions are granted, so Squarespace can access the connection needed for your business page. As you log into Facebook, pay attention to the page that asks for permission or approval. The prompts may describe what Squarespace can do with your Facebook account or business page. Review the information shown on screen, because you want to make sure you are authorizing the correct connection. Then proceed with the authorization prompts when you are ready. During this stage, it is normal for the interface to take you between screens. Do not close the window or refresh the page, since that can interrupt the authorization process. Once authorization is completed successfully, you should be returned to Squarespace, or you should see a confirmation that the account connection is active. At this point, your Facebook integration should be connected through your Squarespace Connected Accounts area. You can typically confirm this by looking for the Facebook connection entry in that Connected Accounts section. If anything looks unclear, take a moment to verify that it is listing the correct Facebook business page or the correct connection status, depending on what Squarespace displays. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to connect your Squarespace site to your Facebook business page.